Right then, on a new job today in Henley-on-Thames. Oh, very posh. Ripping out an ensuite, complete makeover, all new fixtures and fittings, and with something a little bit out of the ordinary thrown in. Let's take a look. Right, small little cottage ensuite. Let's get it ripped out. Last night that these tiles would just fall off the wall and be on nice finished plaster, but tis not to be. I had a dream my life would be so different from this hell I'm living. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Well, that's a bit more of a mess than we thought. This one's a challenge. We weren't expecting all that to come off. Day 2. What to do first? I don't know. Okie dokie, we have new walls. Apart from down the end, I've got to do the shower valve in a bit, but we've got new walls. We've got a new floor. Completely replace the flooring underneath floorboards with 18mm ply and overboard it in 12, but it's still horrendously out of level because it's a listed cottage. So we've got to latex that. We're going to get the tray in tomorrow. I'll put a little link to a how-to video up here. Bing! There it is, yeah. We've got to get Gary in to plaster the walls, latex the floor tomorrow, and then we'll be tiling. It's been a tough one. Whew. So the little something I mentioned that was a bit out in the ordinary is this. In the bedroom, we've got to put a bath there. How are we going to do that? I don't know.